Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a small project in C programming language. It's very difficult sometimes whenever we think that in C programming language it's not possible to make a small project such as library management system, school management system, mark sheet of students and such like a banking system. But it's very simple. I am going to tell you few steps and then we will start making a project. To start a project in C programming language, we need few things. Number one, we need some compiler and editor in which we will write the code. There's one compiler and editor which is very useful that I mostly use CDev++. You can download it, and if you type in Google, you can easily download it on your computer. It's totally free. It has no any cost. So I have already downloaded that one. So I am starting here. If you see, this is one interface for dev C++ compiler interface in which we can write the code even in C++, C, PHP, and it supports lot of languages. So making a project in C language, we will start from scratch. Number one step, we will go here. We will start with the new source file. It's now you can see here there's nothing here, but before starting a C programming project, I would like to give you an introduction for small project which I have already developed for you guys to make you clarify what this project will do and what are the functions in this projects. Here is a small project which I have already built, and you can see here this is a small code from starting to end. This is whole code, but it's not difficult. Don't worry guys, it's not difficult. We will make in tips and you will be able to understand at the end of this course. Each my video is comprising for 10 minutes, so you will know how to make this one. So we are going with the step by step from this first stage here to end. So let's start making new project. So first I am going to tell you what is the first step we will make in making the banking credit system or banking information system. See here, this is the first main menu which has a lot of options here. The menu is used for selection any option. For example, if you are pressing A to create account, D, if you are pressing D, display all accounts holder. If you are pressing S, it will search account holders, and a lot of functions here you can see. If I am running this code, you will see what is the result coming out here. Let's start and see. Yep. So I press F11 and got this output. This is my bank credit, Bank Canada because I am living in Canada. That's why I have put here. Don't worry, you can put your own country name here. So number one here, you can see the create new account. For example, if I am pressing A here, it is asking enter account number. For example, 90101. This is account number. Name is, for example, what way we name, we should give it name. For example, Van. Last name is Kong, and address is, for example, Toronto, and postal code is M4H1L5, and enter the contact number, for example 64744738890, and next to kin, for example null. The record is successfully written. Now this means that now our record is saved on our hard disk. The technique I am using here, which is very simple, that's called binary file system in C programming language. There are two types of files in C language. One is binary file, another is text file. As we all know that text file is very simple. We can write as it is. It is not safe and secure, and it mostly used for some type of data which is written in text format, but binary file is a very safe and secure file system which can be used for simply making a record, and record can be easily accessed and we can play with the record whatever we want to do with. Now you can see here I have come back on main menu again. Now I want to display all the record account holders. Now you see here there are some records already entered here. That's 1011 Eric Kevin Murtaza Basi 90101 Wang Kong. Here I have put this name newly. So what I want to do right now, I want to put some information for this account holder. I have few information here I would like to show you for 1010 account. So let's go and search the account. For example 1010, I would like to see this account information. What is the transaction for this account? You can see here this is complete information came from here, from database, and I can see here complete details, how many transactions here. And with this account number we have this account has deposited this amount, that's here $6,800, and $200 has been withdrawn, and total amount is 200 plus 400, $600 have been withdrawn and the balance is 6,200. So if I want to perform the same thing with the other account which I have entered right now, I can do right now 90101. If you see here what I'm going to do in R 90101 account number, for example I am adding the information depositing deposit. For example the date is, say for example 1/12/2018, and enter the amount to 8. For example 8 means deposit. I need to correct this one, don't mind. So $5,000 I am adding in my account. Record has been added. Now I am going to withdraw the account. I will press the W option here which I have mentioned here. You can see W. Now the 9010 account holder is coming, and he is coming on second date 1/12/2018. Oh sorry, I placed wrong information. So for that I need to go back again. For example date, okay, I will make correction later on. I am putting something like date again 2018. I am going to withdraw amount for $3,000. Now I want to see the information this account. So I will go here and search. I will put the information for 90101. Now you can see here I deposited $5,000 here, and on the next date I got $3,000. My total deposit amount is $5,000 and withdrawn amount is 3,000. Sorry, and balances now I have in my bank, that's $2,000. Yes guys, so there are a lot of options here I have put here. You can see here we can give the loan, and we can have a transaction for loan for the account holder, and these all options which I have mentioned here I will let you know step by step in this video. Just pretty simple, you don't need to worry. You can make this programming project for your university project, for your college project, for your high school project in C language, but it gives you a lot of concepts how to make a simple project in any programming language. If you know any language very well, or if you have some familiarity with it, you can use my video here and you can get an help, and you can access such type of techniques which are very beneficial for your project in your high school or in some professional life. If you are there, if you are newly entered in professional life and you don't have the concept of making a project, I will give you lot of things you will learn